Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this 8-volt cordless drill set that comes with some accessories and a level and a Type-C charge cord. So obviously this is your instruction manual here. So you want to go through this first and read through that. And then here's your drill right here. So it's pretty compact and fairly lightweight. There's where your cord plugs in to charge it. As you can see right there. And here's your charging cord. It's got the USB in there, and then here's the Type-C in there. Here is your level, and another cool thing about this level, it does have the magnetic bottom here. If you need that, it comes in pretty handy. And then here's all your other little accessories. So you've got your Phillips and flatheads here. You've got your drill bits here, as you can see right there. And then some anchors and screws right here too in this bag. So just a handy little drill to have on hand, you know, for simple little projects around the house. It also comes with these connectors. So just want to show you the power of this real quick. Here's what it's like when I pull the trigger. It's got a light right here, which is pretty cool. So another cool feature is back here. It shows you your power left in the battery before you got to charge it.